Hi, and welcome outstanding curious kids. I'm Fiona. Today, we're going to be engineers. Engineering is about inventing, designing, making and building structures and machines. Today's challenge is, can you make ramps that make balls go different speeds? If you want to play, explore and be curious with me today, you'll need a few things. You'll need some recyclable materials like cardboard boxes, tissue boxes, anything you really have laying around. Also, I've got here an old book. Also, some masking tape and some vehicles or cars, some balls. I'm even using old bottle tops. Let's do the challenge. Ramp building. Think about what you would like to build. Is it going to be high or low? Wide? Narrow? How are we going to make that ball go fast or slow? Let's try. Okay, let's start with this cardboard box, and this looks like a good piece of cardboard. Let's make it there. That is a very steep angle, isn't it? So let's tape that on. Okay, so that's one ramp. Let's use this box and put the book on it. Okay, very different shape, isn't it? Tape it on. Now, here we go. This is a different type of ramp, I think. Let's use this one. That's a lot flatter in its angle. I wonder how these three different types of ramps are going to work with our different vehicles. Let's experiment. Okay, let's start with the ball. Let's put it on and let's see. Wow, that was fast. But I wonder what we'll do with this ramp. Did you think that was slower? And finally, let's try it with this ramp. I like the way the different ramps made this ball go different speeds. Let's try the car this time. Let's start on this one. That went well. Let's try the steep ramp. I think that went faster. And finally, the flatter ramp. That was very interesting. How did your ramps go? I think next time I might use a stopwatch and time how quickly the different objects went down the ramp. And that way I know which ones were faster and slower. An extra challenge you could do is build a fort with chairs and pillows. Can you make it stronger? Or how about you make a boat out of a piece of aluminium foil and see if you can make it float? I wonder how much it will hold. Well, it's time to say goodbye. It has been so much fun being curious with you today. We would love to see your challenge creations and your ramps. So share them with us on the City Libraries Townsville Facebook page. Until next time, we explore the wonders of the world together. Bye, our amazing curious kids.